My name is Stephanie, and today I just wanted to make a video on how quick and easy it is to make delicious, vegan, gluten-free, keto-friendly pudding. Because if you don't have Simply Delish in your pantry, you are simply missing out. Get it? Okay, so first I'm just going to show you what their banana pudding looks like. And what's great about Simply Delish is that it's very easy to make. So I just want to give a quick rundown on their range of desserts. They come in both puddings and gels. For today, I obviously said we're going to be making the puddings, but I also just wanted to give you a quick little review and tutorial on how to make their gels, even though I will include that in another video in the future. So first, their puddings come in 4 different flavors, one being banana, chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. How could you not love those flavors? They sound so good. And then for their gels, they also come in 4 different flavors, strawberry, raspberry, peach, and orange. Another combination of delicious flavors. And the best thing about these products is you literally just need the boxes themselves. And for the puddings, you need milk or a milk alternative. And then for the gels, you just need the packet and cold and hot water. Brainless. Anybody can make these desserts, okay? Anyone. No excuses. So first, the puddings. Their range of desserts are vegan-friendly, non-GMO, fat-free, lactose, nut-free, gluten-free, and most importantly, keto-friendly. So anybody on those diets or following those lifestyles, they can enjoy these desserts guilt-free. Literally, you can have these desserts breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Do I recommend it? Yes. When it comes to desserts, I have zero patience. I like to have a dessert made quick, easy, and simple, and fast, and ready to go. I want to be 5 minutes away from watching my favorite television show, aka The Bachelorette right now, if anybody's watching. Oh my god. I want to be about to watch my favorite TV show, but I don't want to sit down on the couch without a little snack, a little guilt-free snack or dessert. So I can literally whip this up in no more than 5 minutes. Literally, 5 minutes I can go from dessert deprived to dessert enjoying. I can be sitting on my couch, bowl of delicious banana pudding, and be watching my favorite television shows. It's that simple. So the really neat thing about these desserts is that you can make these here in your kitchen, over at your friend's house, over at your parents' house, even possibly on a camping trip in the middle of the woods. Literally, you can. All you really need is the Simply Delish box, a liquid, a bowl of course, and preferably a handheld beater, which is electric because you get a very smooth consistency with it. But if you do want to put in a little elbow grease and maybe get a little arm day in, you can use a whisk, but I highly, highly recommend you get a hand beater, or people have even used Vitamixes in theirs to get that very smooth, velvety consistency. So today I will be using a handheld beater, but I'm also going to be using, oh I forgot, in a measuring cup, duh. I'm going to be using my measuring cup, my yellow bowl because banana. And then for today, I am using a unsweetened coconut milk. Personally, I love the flavor of coconut, especially when it's paired with banana. And you can also use this within the strawberry pudding, the chocolate pudding, and the vanilla pudding just to get a little something different in the taste, where it adds a little coconut flavor. But if you are partial to coconut milks, I do recommend using either a soy milk, an almond milk, but like I said, you can use just straight up fat-free milk, whole milk, skim milk. You can also actually use creamers, and I haven't personally experienced this or experimented with it, but you can use non-fat Greek yogurt to get a very thick consistency. But personally, I like my pudding just the OG original, right there in the bowl. You know, that typical texture that you usually see with pudding. So today I will be showing you how to make this delicious banana pudding. So picture this, you're in your kitchen and you're pacing around like, oh, what do I want? I have this sweet tooth craving that I just want to fulfill, but I don't want to put any effort or time into it. And this is where Simply Delish comes into play. You literally can make this in 5 minutes, literally 5 minutes. It takes no time and no brain power. So the first thing that you really want to do is get your mise en place together. Like the French would say, you want to get your ingredients and your tools together and have them ready to go. So you just have to grab a spoon and dig in after. Simple, right? That's why I'm here. So quickly, I just want to make note of something. Like I mentioned before, the Simply Delish puddings, you can use two different kinds of milks. You can use a very straightforward milk, or you can use a milk alternative. If you are using a milk alternative like soy milk, almond milk, or like how I'm using a coconut milk, it is recommended that you use 1.25 cups. But if you are just using a skim milk, a whole milk, or fat-free milk, you should use 2 cups. So please keep in mind, because that will change the consistency of the product if you are using a different kind of milks. Just keep that in mind. I have my mise en place ready to go, and I'm ready to make this stuff. Let's go. I have my mise en place in place, and I am ready to go. Okay, take your bowl, open up the delicious pudding, and it comes in a packet just like this. Easy to open, and it comes in a powdery substance. Oh, just smell that banana. It smells so good. Packet of pudding. Dump it into your bowl. Woo. And take your measuring cup. I just have a normal measuring cup. Add 1
cup of coconut milk, and then a little 1/4 cup.
Looks like that. And then take your handheld electric mixer. I use my go-to Cuisinart mixer. Okay. I'm not going to lick these in front of you because nobody really wants to see that. So this is literally the finished product. You can grab a spoon and just dig in. Now that the mixture is completely done, smooth, ready to go and to be enjoyed, I am going to put it into a little serving glass. Look at that wiggle. Look at that wiggle. Now, with the puddings, I kind of like to mix it up a little bit, meaning that I like to add slices of bananas, slices of strawberries, basically slices of fruit. You can also add granola topping and kind of make it a little breakfast bowl, or you can get really creative and you can take the different puddings that come in the Simply Delish range and layer them up like a layered parfait. Not only that, but you can get so creative with these puddings. You can put them in cupcakes, cakes, loaves of bread, anything. I've seen so many delicious recipes, Simply Delish recipes, that people just get so creative with it, and it literally blows my mind. So just create this and the creativity will literally start flowing. So let's try it. Jiggle. Oh, who loves a good jiggle? Me, I do, okay? Oh. If you think I'm about to eat this entire spoonful, you're right. Oh my gosh. You literally just get a pie crust, use this pudding as a filler, get some vanilla wafer cookies, and put them in the pie filling with the pie. You have the easiest banana cream pie that anybody on earth has ever created. Oh my god, I can take this bowl away from me because I seriously will eat all of it. Okay, so before I completely spoil my appetite for the entire day by just eating pudding, the great thing about the pudding range is that there's only 25 calories, 280 milligrams of sodium, and 9 grams of carbs. That's it. Are you kidding me? That's completely guilt-free. You can enjoy this breakfast, lunch, and dinner and not feel heavy, weighed down. You still feel super good. So what's stopping you? So while I sit here and enjoy this big old bowl of banana pudding, you can look down in the bio or in the description, and I will link to you the website with the products, including the their banana pudding, along with their range of gels, their website, their Instagram, and the most important part, their recipe page, which features tons of beautiful creations created by a ton of people. Oh my god, just one more bite. Check out the recipe page, as well as the Facebook recipe exchange group where others exchange Simply Delish recipes. One more bite. And really, this is my go-to product. This is my go-to dessert. I have to limit myself because I will eat this every single day. You have to put a lock in my pantry because I will go in there and I will eat it, but it's really not that bad for you. And if you're wondering what's in the ingredients, it is potato starch, erythritol, emulsifiers, dextron, natural flavor banana, natural color, salt, and stevia extract. That's it. And look, I said all of those ingredients and I didn't stumble over them, because sometimes you look at a product and you can barely even pronounce the ingredients. Why would you want to put that in your body? Why? Why? Not me. I want a clean dessert. I want a guilt-free dessert. And this is just it. So please, go grab yourself a thing of delicious Simply Delish desserts. I will also link to you a little treat, and this is not only a treat, but a little discount code where you will get 10% off on your entire order. Just look down in the description. Use the code Stephanie10. Like I said, 10% off. Thank you again for watching this delicious video. I will be making videos in the future, so please stay tuned. And remember, as like everybody and their mother says here on YouTube, like and subscribe to this delicious channel for more creative desserts, delicious desserts, and desserts featuring Simply Delish. Remember, every day is dessert day.